Over 50, high cortisol and stubborn belly fat can leave you feeling tired and tight. This gentle 15-minute Tai Chi power walk activates your vagus nerve, melts deep tension, and naturally burns belly fat without stressing your joints. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. High knee arm lift. Lift your knees alternately while raising both straight arms with your wrists leading. This engages your deep core to burn belly fat, stimulates lymphatic circulation, and warms up your entire body gently. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Lunge back and arm pull. Step back into a gentle lunge while bending your elbows and squeezing your back. This tones your lower body, relieves upper back tension, and helps lower cortisol levels. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Torso twist and shoulder tap. Twist your torso side to side, tapping the opposite shoulder and lower back with your hands. This releases spinal stiffness, stimulates blood circulation, and calms your nervous system. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Front and back leg kick tap. Kick your leg forward and back gently while reaching to tap with the opposite hand. This improves balance, activates abdominal muscles to burn belly fat, and enhances hip mobility. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Half squat chest expansion. Cross your arms in a half squat and stand tall, opening wide with a gentle back bend. This expands your chest, stimulates the vagus nerve, and releases deep upper body stress. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. March and side arm shoulder touch. March in place while extending your arms straight out. Then bend your elbows to touch both shoulders. This activates upper body circulation, burns calories, and relieves deep shoulder tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Side step and elbow arm swing. Step side to side while bending your elbows up and swinging your arms down. This rhythmic motion helps burn belly fat, stimulates lymphatic flow, and calms your nervous system. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Back kick and arm raise. Kick one straight leg back gently while lifting both arms straight up overhead. This tones your glutes, expands your chest to activate the vagus nerve, and melts daily stress. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Side step and forearm chest open. Step side to side, bringing forearms parallel in front, and open wide and squeeze your back. This improves posture, releases upper back tightness, and lowers cortisol levels. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Half squat and elbow lift. Perform a gentle half squat, then stand up slowly while lifting one elbow upward. This strengthens your core and legs to burn belly fat, while releasing stiffness in your side body. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Side tap and cross arm swing. Tap your toe to the side and swing your crossed arms up across your face. This rotational movement activates your brain vitality, burns waste fat, and eases nervous tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. March and alternating arm swing. March in place while bending your elbows and swinging your arms upward alternately. This boosts whole body fat burning, lubricates shoulder joints, and leaves you feeling refreshed. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Side tap and chest open. Tap your toe to the side while opening your bent arms wide and squeezing your back. This expands your chest to stimulate the vagus nerve, melts deep stress, and burns side waist fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Lunge and circle arm swing. Step back into a gentle lunge while circling both arms smoothly to one side. This strengthens your legs to burn belly fat, lubricates shoulder joints, and lowers cortisol. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Back kick and hand touch. Rest your hands behind your back and kick your heels back alternately to touch your palms. This activates your hamstrings, releases knee stiffness, and stimulates whole body circulation. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. March and parallel arm swing. March in place, holding elbows at shoulder level. Then swing your arms straight down and back up. This rhythm burns belly fat, releases shoulder tension, and activates the vagus nerve. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Self-hug and chest expansion. Stand shoulder width apart. Wrap your arms in a gentle self-hug. Then swing them open wide. This calms your nervous system, reduces cortisol, and releases deep tension across your chest and back. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 18. High knee and knee tap. Lift your knees alternately while tapping each knee with the opposite hand. This engages your deep core to burn stubborn belly fat, enhances balance, and boosts brain vitality. Wonderful job today. Which movement made your body feel the most relaxed and energized? Tell me in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and practice daily for lasting vitality.